Hello and welcome students, myself Kumar Saurabh. Today I am present in front of you with yet another critical reasoning passage. You already know what we do here. First of all, we are going to go through the whole passage. Then on the basis of our understanding, we are going to solve all the questions which are related to the passage. So without wasting any more time, I say we start with our discussion for today. Okay, so the passage goes like this. Natural climate solutions cover more than 20 different activities, not just tree planting. So in case you had that misconception that as far as natural climate solutions is concerned, there's only one way and that is of tree planting, you were wrong. There are 20 different activities, more than 20 different activities. A comprehensive body of science led by TNC suggests that together these 20 pathways could generate over 30% of emission reductions needed by 2030 to be on a pathway towards stabilizing temperature increases by 2050 at well below 2 degrees Celsius. Okay, so a comprehensive study which was led by what? TNC. उसका ये suggestion है कि there are these 20 pathways, ये जो 20 pathways हैं, इससे 30% तक का reduction in emission हम लोग achieve कर सकते हैं by the year 2030. एंड 2050 तक टेम्परेचर स्टेबलाइजेशन का काम भी हम लोग कर पाएंगे अगर इन चीजों को हम लोग इनकॉर्पोरेट करते हैं तो reforestation is not as simple as blanketing the earth with trees. It is not as simple as that. I was just having some issues related to the pen. There are crucial considerations that must be taken into account in managing forests. From the spacing and species of trees being planted to the support and the consent of local communities. Of course, afforestation or reforestation is not as simple as it looks because you need to keep in mind a whole lot of factors and reasons while doing it. You need to have the consent of the landowners, the tribes which live there, the communities which are there, all of that. In addition to the maintenance of all the plants and all the trees. Okay. Experts show that respecting the rights of local and indigenous communities that manage forests is one of the best ways of preventing deforestation in the first place. Self-explanatory in nature. I don't think I need to explain it any more than I already have. So moving on here. Right. So moving on, virtually all recent analysis of emissions reductions needs होना चाहिए था, needed लिखा है, suggests that we simply cannot achieve those goals without nature. Of course, we will not be able to achieve those without nature. Campaigns that taught tree planting without emission cuts should raise red flags. The real distraction is presenting these two tactics, using nature to capture greenhouse gases and reducing our dependence on fossil fuel. तो दो चीजें कौन सी, दो टैक्टिक्स ऐसे कौन कौन से हैं जिसके बारे में बात हो रही है? यहाँ पे ये बात हुई कि आपको ग्रीन हाउस गैसेस को कैप्चर करने की जरूरत है, इन अदर वर्ड्स उसको कम करने की भी जरूरत है, साथ ही साथ हमारा जो डिपेंडेंस है, हम लोग जो फॉसिल फ्यूल्स, पेट्रोलियम प्रोडक्ट्स जो है उस पर जो इतना हम लोग डिपेंडेंट हैं उसको भी रिड्यूस करने की जरूरत है. एज इफ दे आर म्यूचुअली एक्सक्लूसिव. हाँ, तो ये रियल डिस्ट्रैक्शन है एंड वी नीड नॉट गेट आवरसेल्व्स डिस्ट्रैक्टेड इन ऑल ऑफ दैट. Last September, Greta Thunberg spoke out strongly in favor of natural climate solutions, urging the public to protect and restore nature and fund natural climate solutions. So these were the suggestions, I would say, from the side of Greta Thunberg. I'm sure you guys are aware of who Greta Thunberg is. She says that we will keep applauding companies and governments that are stepping up with ambitious efforts to protect nature and harness its power to tackle climate change. We'll also keep looking for ways to accelerate the shift to clean, renewable energy. So this was all about the passage. In the passage, you got to know that the author was trying to tell us that only tree plantation is not the only natural climate solution. There are different other activities which qualify in that. Also, the scientific study which was led by that organization has revealed that there are reasons to believe that if we are able to incorporate all of that in our policies, then reduction in emission can be achieved, and also the regulation of temperature can also be achieved. And in the later part, we also got to know the kind of things that Greta Thunberg said. And in addition to that, the real distractions are also there, that we keep on focusing on the need for, capturing the greenhouse gases and, reducing our dependence on fossil fuel, but they are acting more like a distraction more than anything. So based on all of that, the first question goes like this. Which of the following, if true, most weakens the author's argument in the given passage? Here, the right answer seems to be option B. In 2035, there is a notable decrease in the rate of emissions solely by planting trees. Most weakens the author's argument. अगर ये point B सही है, option B सही है, तो ये कहीं ना कहीं argument को destroy कर रहा है, weak कर रहा है. आर्ग्यूमेंट ये है ना कि सिर्फ ट्री प्लांटेशन से काम नहीं चलेगा, बहुत सारी ऐसी चीजें हैं जो हमें एडिशनली करनी पड़ेंगी. सो इफ दिस इज राइट, देन इट इज वीकनिंग द आर्ग्यूमेंट ऑफ द ऑथर. Then let's move on to the next question. Question number 2. Which of the following best represents the main point of the given passage? Here the right answer is going to be option C, which is to reach global climate goals, society needs to focus on nature. Very simple. Once you go through all the options, you will be easily in a position to get to know that C is the correct answer here. Let's move on to the next question. It says, which of the following is an assumption on which Greta Thunberg's argument is based? Here, the right answer seems to be C, which says there has been progress in introducing natural climate solutions to the public and decision makers in the last few years. So this can act as an assumption based on which Greta Thunberg is presenting her argument. So basically what she said was, we are going to continually applaud the organization and the governments who are doing all of that in order to save the planet, in order to incorporate all the new activities in the policies. So she said that we are going to applaud them continually. Okay, now let's move on to the next question. The next question is, which of the following is the most desirable outcome from the perspective of the author? The right answer in this question seems to be D. Ridhima is a member of the Save Trees, Save Life campaign. Advocates minimizing dependence on fossil fuels and propagate natural climate solution. As easy as that. Self-explanatory question भी था ये, बहुत easy है इसको बनाना भी. साथ ही साथ let's move on to the next question, the last question. Which of the following is not a part of natural climate solutions according to the author? Right answer here is B. Gauging the amount of emissions in the air. We are not concerned about that as far as the context of the passage goes. So student, this was it as far as today's video is concerned. I hope you guys were able to understand the passage first of all, and you were successfully able to solve all the questions as well. Keep on watching all the videos which we regularly upload on our YouTube channel. I'll see you next time. Till then, take very good care of yourself. Thank you so much.